I just updated a space in my house and it needs a picture. So here we are. This is the space here. The bookshelves are going to be white. I'm going to paint this part. This whole middle section is just going to be white. So this is a jumbo canvas that I purchased several years ago and I don't like it anymore. It's pretty big. Come over here, Blancy. So see, that's how you can tell maybe how big it is, but this thing is huge. There's the dog for reference. So I'm actually going to cut this down using my jigsaw. So here's the back of it. I'm going to cut it straight down here. This little bracket thing that's here, I'm taking that off of there and I'm going to attach it here. So this is going to be the new top, and then I'm going to create a nice new canvas for the other side. So my plan is to just cover it either completely white or completely black, then come up with the design that I want, and I'm going to show you the finished look once everything is done. For the first coat, I just used a primer, and now I'm using a paint and primer mix. Just a plain white paint. So I did end up adding one more coat to the top part of this, so there's 3 coats of paint or primer on this now, and it's nice and bright. So what I'm going to do to create a little design is to just use some painter's tape and just randomly place the tape, and that is going to create the design that I'm going to use. Whatever is not covered with the tape is going to be spray painted black. So this is going to be a black and white design, and I'm just going to place some paint on some tape all around some of the edges. And there's not going to be any rhyme or reason to where I'm putting the tape. I'm literally just gonna make this up as I go along. This is the pattern I'm going with, so I'm just going to go right out and spray paint this and we'll see what it looks like. I'm using this satin black paint by Krylon. I really wanted matte, but I don't have it and I'm not buying anything, so hopefully this looks okay. I figured this base up here needed a little bit more, so I just added some more tape, and I'm just gonna spray a black splotch right there. So I added the little triangle right here, and now I'm gonna add a little something here, and then I made a little design here. I think it just needs a little something to finish it off even more. And if it needs anything else, I'll add that later. And if I don't like this all together, eventually I'm just going to start all over again.